today I'm going to be doing my brows, and for that I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. And I'm going to be doing my brows. This is basically the same brow routine. I'll put a link, or like I'll let that be the next video that plays if you have like autoplay or whatever, or you could just check it out at the end of the video, whatever. Put in the description, whatever you want, I'll do it. But not like that. For right now we're just going to do one eye, and that's okay. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm going to be using that to prime my eye as well as clean up my eyebrows. Ooh, child, thank God for eyelashes. So I'm going to be using, can this even fit, but the BPerfect Stacey Carnival XL Pro Palette. I'm taking the shade Lights Out, which is this black shade right here. And I'm going to be taking this really small, I think this is an eyebrow brush, but I'm going to be using it to carve out my cut crease. I'm going to be taking a Morphe M330 brush. It looks like this. I'm going to start with the darkest shade first and blend that where I put the line. So the next color I'm going to be using is this blue right here. It's from the Coastal Scents Creative Me palette. this was actually the first palette I ever, first colorful palette I ever really went into before. Now I'm going to be going into the shade Soft Spot, which is from the Carnival XL Pro palette. Ooh, there's a brush in there, I didn't even notice. It's this light shade right here, this light blue color. Yeah, I kind of wish I started YouTube a while back, maybe in high school, in grade 10, because that's when it was popping. That was I mean, not saying that YouTube isn't popping now, but it really, I used to watch YouTube videos on a daily more than I do now, and I'm even on YouTube, so I feel like you should be watching videos like that, but I really don't. Yes, I'm doing a gradient, so it's gonna be from darkest to light. But as I was saying, back in 2015, 14, around that time, YouTube was popping. It was a different type of hype. They were in their bag when in 2014, 2015, that was their year, and I kind of just damn, that could have been my year. I could have just been hey guys, this is Brianna, I'm coming back with a Bath and Body Works to review. I could have been just reviewing candles, perfume, sanitizers, but now I was shy. Ugh, damn, anxiety. What have you been doing for me lately? I'm going back in with the shade from Coastal Scents and really bringing in that blue, because I want it to be a really good gradient. So I'm just going to be taking some micellar water and applying that on a brush, so any micellar water that you have, and I'm going to be carving out my crease, or cleaning my crease up. I'm gonna go in with the brush I used for deepening my crease and just blending it. And I'm also gonna make a triangular type of blend. Pay attention, because I'm not really good at explaining myself. But I'm gonna be taking this brush, and I like the fact that it's a little pointed right here, because it kind of helps. And you're just gonna apply the darker color at the outer part of the cut crease, so right here. So just going back with the blue from the Coastal Scents palette and just blending. And then I'm gonna go with the light blue soft spot from the BPerfect Stacey Marie palette and applying that on my lid. I'm going to be taking my Suva Beauty Hydra liner in Space Panda. And this is so crazy. Like, I have a look just like this, and this was like the second look I ever posted. Wow, like, am I recreating myself? Probably. This is so freaking crazy, you guys. I did this eye look January 16. Well, almost a year ago. Whoa, this is crazy. And this is, oh my god, I'm kind of recreating it. It has like, oh my god, this is crazy. I'm having a moment, sorry guys. But yeah, this is the look I tried to do, and this is what I'm doing now. This is such an upgrade. Like, this is crazy. Like, oh my god, I don't know why I'm so excited, but like, you guys fully saw the glow up, like that to this growth. Sometimes, like, you know, when like, you know, you've grown as an artist, but sometimes you don't see it, like other people see it for you. This is me really realizing like how much I've grown in a year. This is crazy. I'm so proud of myself. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner, and we're gonna be creating a wing. We're not gonna be creating a wing actually, but we're going to be creating a line. Okay, but hold on. You guys. This is gonna be so satisfying. Are you ready? Crisp. Turn it up. Okay, so I'm back, obviously. I would do a zoom for this, but no, I'm tired. So I'm going to be doing the lower lash line like I just said. I'm going to be taking the ABH primer, applying it on my lower lash, like this part. I'm going to be taking this shade, the indigo shade, mixing it with the black shade, and I'm going to be applying that first. I'm going to be taking the shade from the Coastal Scents palette, the really cobaltish blue, or the true blue. I'll call it true blue. I like that. It's a true blue. You're taking the soft spot, which is the really light blue, and you're just gonna blend it underneath. Then I'm gonna be taking this Midas Cosmetics, if you guys can see it. Wow, I love the focus here. It's the white gold pigment, and unfortunately I don't have any lash glue, so glitter adhesive, so I'm going to be taking lash glue, applying it where I applied that white, which is kind of obsolete at this point, but I did not think it through. Applying a dollop of lash glue. You could either add like a gem or glitter, really up to you. I'm going to add glitter because I feel like it. So now it's time for lashes. I'm going to be taking the RD Beauty Lash in Boss Lady. So this is the final look. You guys, how do you like it? It took me like 3 hours to film. What the hell? But yeah, here it is. I think it's cute. I mean, let's compare it to, not the original, but from last year. So this picture right here, if you guys can see it, if it's focusing, yeah, to this. Some people may not see a difference, some people may, I don't know, but I think it's an improvement. Let's do a close-up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like,
I am disgusted,
comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your New Year's resolutions. Let me see if I could steal any. Bye. Okay.